How to turn off antivirus on Windows 11. Now, for you to install some third-party antivirus or some softwares, you need to first turn off your Windows Defender. And to get it done is pretty simple and easy. You first have to navigate and click on your start menu, then proceed to tap on settings. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of menus here on the left panel, continue to tap on privacy and security. Then with this selected, we're going to make sure to select on Windows security. Under this interface, make sure to select on virus and threat protection. And then with this selected, continue to tap on manage settings, which is under virus and threat protection. And with this selected, we're going to make sure all this is toggled off. So the real-time protection, we're going to turn off this. Go down a bit until we locate the cloud delivered protection. And this one, we're going to make sure is toggled off. And then again, with the automatic sample submission, we're going to toggle off it. In the tamper protection, we're going to toggle it off, and then scroll down to the last where we have the control folder access and make sure to select it, and then continue to make sure this is toggled off. After all this is toggled off, we have successfully turned off our Windows antivirus. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.